big number of applications on a daily basis from all around the globe, from people from different walks of life, from different countries, different cultures. And we receive sometimes some statements from people saying, I double my account, I triple my account, and I have 200% profit. And you get some guys who are down 1%, 2%, 0.5%. So as professionals or as a firm, we prefer to allocate capital to those people who are down 0.2%. They never make money, better than this guy who is doubling or tripling his account.
We are all basing our Fibonacci on the assumption that the most recent movement that we see in the market is the most relevant.
If you're all Japanese candlestick users, change your colour scheme to a neutral colour scheme, because it is going to have an impact on the preconceived bias that you have on what's going to occur and what's going to happen within the financial markets. And again, that's why the colour scheme that we use with our Heikin Ashi is very, very neutral, is very, very plain, very, very simple.